experiencing clicking noises or focus problems with your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max front camera and Face ID? Here's what's happening. The clicking sound often comes from the autofocus lens assembly within the true depth sensor. This can lead to blurry selfies or Face ID malfunctions. First, ensure you're running iOS 18.3 or later, as this update includes a recalibration to reduce the clicking noise. If the issue persists, perform a force restart by pressing volume up, then down, and hold the side button. Next, clean the camera lens thoroughly, checking for any obstructions or misalignment. You can also dial *#4636 #* in the phone app to run iOS diagnostics and check the sensor health. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it may indicate a hardware issue. If software solutions fail, a hardware check is necessary. Visually inspect the front camera module for any damage. If you're comfortable, iFixit offers guides, but DIY repairs can void your warranty or cause further damage. Consider professional repair services, especially if you're under warranty. Apple offers free repairs for affected units. Looking ahead, future iPhone models are trending towards quieter autofocus systems like magnetic levitation, and software will continue to improve via AI-driven recalibration. Keep your device away from extreme temperatures and high humidity to prolong its life.